Logo animation tutorial. First, add your logo to Alightmotion. Now select the logo and apply contour lines effect as shown.
Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.
Click the plus icon, select freehand drawing option and draw around the logo. Now, select drawing layer and apply drawing progress effect as shown. Move the logo layer to top overlay and then combine both layers. Select combined layer and apply raise effect as shown.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must